Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Chapter 2.
Chapter 2.
My name.
My name.
Once there was a little fly. One day he could not remember his name. He tried and tried to remember it, but it was of no use. He had forgotten his name. He asked an ant, do you know my name?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ant said, I don't know you may ask the tree I climb the fly said dear tree do you know my name? The tree said I don't know you may ask the cow sleeping in my shadow shade. Sufferings. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sight words. His one do you when it my about the fly went near the cow and asked dear cow do you know my name? The cow said I don't know you may ask the grass I eat.